Join me as I challenge myself to create 3 amazing meals in just 1 hour using only my multi-cooker. This kitchen gadget has transformed how I cook, and today, I'll show you why. Multi-cookers have become a staple in modern kitchens, and it's no surprise why. They're versatile, time-saving, and perfect for creating delicious, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. Whether you're a busy professional or a home chef looking for inspiration, a multi-cooker can make your life so much easier. Let's face it, cooking can feel like a chore, but a multi-cooker solves some of the biggest challenges we face. Time. It cuts cooking time by up to 70%, perfect for busy weeknights. Variety. From hearty stews to stir-fries, it keeps your meals exciting. Convenience. With just one pot, you can sauté, steam, slow cook, and more. Less cleanup, more fun. Let's dive into what makes a multi-cooker so versatile. Pressure cooking function speeds up cooking while locking in flavors. Slow cooking mode, ideal for tender roasts and stews. Sauté function, perfect for browning meats or prepping veggies. Steaming option, creates healthy, nutrient-packed meals in minutes. These features make it a one-stop solution for everything from quick dinners to elaborate feasts. Now let's make my favorite recipe, Korean BBQ beef. This dish is packed with flavor and takes only minutes to prepare. Add sliced beef, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, brown sugar, and sesame oil to the multi-cooker. Turn on the pressure cooking mode and set it for 15 minutes. That's it! Let the multi-cooker work its magic. The result? Tender, flavorful beef that pairs perfectly with rice, noodles, or even as a taco filling. The best part? No standing over the stove. Just set it and forget it. Multi-cookers are more than just kitchen gadgets. They're a game changer. They simplify meal prep, reduce stress, and open up a world of culinary possibilities. Whether you're cooking for your family or meal prepping for the week, a multi-cooker is the ultimate tool. I've seen firsthand how a multi-cooker can transform your kitchen routine. If you're ready to simplify your life and make cooking exciting again, check out the link in the description for my top multi-cooker pick. What's your favorite multi-cooker recipe? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to try it out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more kitchen gadget reviews and recipes to elevate your cooking game.